So I bought the Mushie mat, and I have this type of high chair that you can attach to a table, and it works really well for having it underneath the table for all my daughter to throw all the food down on, and it catches the food, and I'm able to just pick it up and throw it in the garbage. The material is kind of silky-ish material, so I think that it works really well on carpet, but I'm not sure it would work so well on hardwood floors, especially if you don't have a high chair like this and you're using a standing high chair. But otherwise, I really love this for what I'm using it for, and give it 5 stars.